Ocean wave 49, we have Portugal. For example, Azores Islands has 600 kilometers of coast. Let's quote which coast is pointing to the northwest where the swell is coming from. So we could say that there are 300 kilometers. These 300 kilometers, we could really have an artificial wave of, say, 300 times 3.3, then 1,000 waves. That means that 1,000 waves times 3,300 jobs, that's 3.3 million jobs that could be really living in the future of environmental, economical, and really corporate social responsible, transparent, social, sport, long-term, perpetual. This investment intrinsic value of this ocean wave is for perpetuity. The future generations, until this planet disappears, will be able to enjoy the sport of surfing and be really happy and look after having very healthy kids without having these issues of health of fat people. But also it's really an industry that today we could generate and really in a very spread way, not massification of tourists like we have today in Palma de Mallorca or the Canary Islands, which really has no end because cruise ships are going to stop all these, and Airbnb also, all these humans living in those places will be at danger that will not be able any longer to live at a reasonable cost. So really this option of ocean wave is very environmental, very friendly, and we could really generate millions of jobs within Portugal. Thank you very much indeed for your time. Bye. Muito obrigado. Boas ondas.